Did you know that mulberries are not just delicious, but also incredibly good for your health? In fact, mulberries are packed with numerous health benefits that may surprise you. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of mulberries. Firstly, mulberries are loaded with antioxidants, which help to fight off free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Secondly, mulberries are great for your immune system. They're rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps to protect you from common illnesses. Thirdly, mulberries are a fantastic source of iron, making them a great choice for those with iron-deficiency anemia. Next, mulberries are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and helps to maintain a healthy digestive system. Mulberries are also good for your heart health. They contain compounds that may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Another benefit of mulberries is that they are low in calories and fat, making them a great option for weight management. Furthermore, mulberries are known to support healthy blood sugar levels. They contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar and prevent spikes. Mulberries are also a natural source of resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-aging properties. In addition, mulberries are rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, which are essential for bone health. Mulberries are also good for your skin. They contain antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Mulberries have been linked to improved brain function and memory. They contain compounds that may help enhance cognitive function. Another amazing benefit of mulberries is their potential to fight cancer. Some compounds found in mulberries have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Mulberries are also good for your eyes. They contain vitamin A and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining healthy vision. Mulberries have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to support liver health. They contain compounds that may help protect and detoxify the liver. Next, mulberries are a natural mood booster. They contain compounds that may help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calmness and well-being. Mulberries are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Mulberries are a great snack option for athletes and those looking to build muscle. They contain protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Mulberries are also good for your hair. They contain vitamins and minerals that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Lastly, mulberries are a delicious addition to your diet. They have a sweet and tangy flavor that can be enjoyed on their own or added to various dishes. So, now you know why mulberries are a superfood. Incorporate them into your diet and start reaping the incredible health benefits. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.